Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Could you point me in the direction of Sandtown Road?
Sandtown Road?
Yes.
Sandtown Road is this way if I'm not mistaken. Yes.
Your lisp is super cute. I like it. But what's so funny?
You say, you like my list?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Sensational. Summertime.
Ooh.
Shizzle.
Ooh.
Narcissistic.
Oh my.
Sadness.
Yeah, Daddy.
Subsidiaries. 7 sizzling sausages in a saucepan.
Ooh.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Ooh.
Pseudoscience. Sassafras.
Oh my God.
Escovitch snapper.
Mm.
Isosceles.
Ooh.
Simultaneous. Now, let's put fun and jokes aside and give me your cellular number so I can make you smile someday, sweetie.
Yeah.